Morning everyone, catch up, it's time for learning. Kids, what we are going to do today? Today we have to do in English subject revision of S sound words, okay? And in Hindi I will take your shrutlekh, okay? हिंदी में मैम श्रुतलेख लेंगे. You have to listen to ma'am, then you have to write, okay? So let's go. Take out your English notebook and mention the date in left side. Kids, today's date is 31 October 2020. Okay. And mention the written work on the right side. Write in second line as sound words. Okay. Speak and write with me. Okay. Right here. K. A. N. Can. Okay. B, A, N, ban. F, A, N, fan. M, A, N, man. P, A, N, pan. Okay. Second column. Okay. Right here, B, A, G, bag. Okay. T, A, G, tag. V, we says V. V, A, G, wag. R, what is this? R, A, G, rag. Speak and write. J, A, G, jag. Okay. In third column. Right here, H. What is this? H. A, D, had. Okay. Had, had. S, A, D, sad. F, A, D, fad. B, A, D, bad. M, A, D, mad. Okay kids? Take out your Hindi notebook and mention the date in left side and likh karya on right side. Okay? Right here shrutlekh. You have to write in second column. फर्स्ट वर्ड लिखिए ट. ट से टमाटर. ओके. सेकेंड में लिखिए ढ. ढ से ढक्कन. ओके. ढ. ढ से ढक्कन. थर्ड में लिखिए अड़. जो ट की लाइन में सबसे लास्ट में आता है ना, अड़. ओके. फोर्थ नंबर पे लिखेंगे ओके. Clear? Now write here here. Here. Okay? Now write in sixth number jh. Jh. Jh से झंडा. Okay? In seventh number write here ta. Ta से तरबूज. Okay? Ta. Right here ध. ध से धनुष. Okay. Write it. Now write here न. न से नल. कल बनाया था ना हमने न. Okay. And last is च. च से चम्मच. Okay. Has everyone written?